going on, all my winners? And today we bring you this straight out the dealer 2021 BMW M3. It came here to get that protection and that privacy. It's getting 20% all around. Ceramic tint, the best on the planet, guys. But before we start tinting it, everything brand new is nice. But this M3 is even nicer. Let's check this bad boy out. Very BMW-esque, guys. It's a spider webby rim. It looks really good on these cars. All the trim being black is such a big plus. Of course, sometimes they make it in chrome. Look at this front end. It yells faster. What an aggressive front end. I love what they did with the grille. They made it huge. A lot of people don't like it. Me personally, I love this look. It makes the car look a lot more aggressive. The blue color is a little subtle, right? But if you would have put like a green color with that grille being black, guys, we'd be having a different conversation. The lights, they're laser lights. You can see 7,000 billion miles into the future. And very stylish, guys. The black housing on the inside, really stealthy and aggressive. I love it. You can't expect anything less from an M3 rear end. The rear diffuser, very bulky and aerodynamic. The muffler's huge. That's what I call major tubage. The taillights, they're the same as the previous new body taillights. Of course, I love the design, lots of shapes and lots of lines into the taillights and the cars. Usually M3, M4s, M6s have carbon fiber in them. You know, the panels on the inside trim be carbon fiber, so nothing but the best, of course, for the M series. These seats, super aggressive. Look at the color, guys. Man, they thought out of the box for this color. This orange is very out there. These seats, you can see them from a mile away. And of course, the light that says M3 right there to make sure that you know why they're going with ceramic film, because they want to protect this beautiful interior. They want to keep these seats looking like this for years to come. So you take a better quality film to make sure that you protect the inside of your car. Have you guys ever seen the dash being all cracked on cars? The buttons and the letters fading? That's the sun. The UV rays and the infrared rays tearing apart your car. This is the best way to make sure that your car stays mint. This film blocks out 99.9% of the UV rays and 92% of the infrared rays. Your dash stays exactly the same it was as when it came out the factory. Without further ado, stay tuned for the outcome. Watch the winning team winify this M3.
We always keep it 100. You don't wanna be seen in the public. You immediately make your appointment. Pretend in the car and they love it. 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 We always keep it 100. You don't wanna be seen in the public. You immediately make your appointment. Pretend in the car and they love it. 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 Pretend in the car and they love it.
Alright, all my winners, we just finished this M3. Thing looks beast, guys. I love 20% all around, but what's your favorite tone? Do you want it darker? Do you want it lighter? He didn't get his front windshield tinted. Would you do your front windshield? I definitely would do my front windshield. I like my front windshield either in 50 or 35%. What's your favorite tone? Let us know in the comment section below. We want to know, guys. But this M3 got 20% all around. Ceramic, the best stuff on the planet. You want it, I want it, the camera guy wants it, yes? The camera guy wants it, yes. You want those seats to stay the way they look now? You want that ceramic. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you get notified every time we drop a video. Without further ado, check it out in here because we're gonna show you outside. It looks different. Yeah.
We always keep it 100. You don't want to be seen in the public. You immediately make your appointment. Pretend in the car and you love it. We always keep it 100. You don't want to be seen in the public. You immediately make your appointment. Pretend in the car and you love it. Pretend in the car and you love it. Pretend in the car and you love it.